Hey everybody, hope you guys are healthy and safe. So I have something to show you guys today. I have nothing. So this is not the retail packaging. This is just the box that they sent it to me. The retail package is here. Look at how thin this thing is. Pretty excited. Anyway, I'm gonna unbox this thing on camera and then I'll be back with early impressions. The phone is slotted inside the box like this, like it's a drawer that you just pull the devices out. It says accessories. So you have a SIM ejector tool right here. Papers. Wow, this looks pretty sleek. Oh, okay, here we go. So we can see that the bezels are symmetrical. They look to be completely uniform actually. Okay guys, I've been using the Nothing Phone 1 for about 36 hours now, and here are some thoughts. So this is not a full review. Obviously, I've only been using the phone for not even 2 full days yet. And also Nothing has placed an embargo on real in-depth comparisons. So a lot of the stuff you see here will be a little bit surface level. I apologize. In my next video, I will go more in depth with more like camera comparisons and all of that. So we'll first talk about these lighting strips here, which Nothing calls glyph interface. So what they do is they basically will light up when you're receiving a phone call, a notification, or when you're charging the phone or speaking to Google Assistant. So in fact, if I, hey Google, can you hear me? Can you hear me? I actually have my phone on silent at all times, and I very rarely take phone calls, so this actually doesn't really apply to me that much, but I quite like this one. That sounds like a light bulb that's like about to die. So the idea is that you can set these lighting patterns and ringtones to a specific contact. So that means you can know, oh, the lighting is lighted up like right here. That means it's my girlfriend calling me. And then if my work is calling me, it'll be like this strip right here. But as I said, I don't make phone calls, so this doesn't really apply to me. I do like that sometimes when I have my phone down and I have a notification coming in, I can see the lights light up, and it is pretty eye-catching. Like, it's pretty cool, but at the same time it is also very gimmicky. Like right now this phone is still very new, so I find it very cool, but maybe in 2 months I'll be tired of it and it'll be very like annoying. But if you really can't stand these lights, you can always turn it off. You don't have to use them, and Nothing's not charging you a premium to use these lights, you know. This phone, it's not expensive, so it's not like you're paying a markup just to have this lighting pattern in the back. Now there's an in-display fingerprint sensor that's a little bit slow in my opinion, but it still works. And the UI so far feels pretty minimal. It basically behaves like stock Android. If you used an Android phone, this will feel very familiar. I do like a couple of changes that Nothing has made. The first is you have the option to make an app icon super large on the home screen. The second change that Nothing has added is when you go into the shortcut toggle, you see that these two shortcut buttons are bigger than usual, and it's because Nothing combined multiple buttons into one. So right here, it's mobile data. If I swipe, it's my Wi-Fi, and then if I swipe, it's my mobile hotspot. So usually in most Android phones, these would be 3 buttons: mobile data, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot. But I like that here they combine into one button, because all 3 of these kind of do the same thing. All 3 of these are about giving your phone internet connection. Other than that, that's about it in terms of software differences. It behaves mostly like an Android phone all around. Now the screen is a 6.5-inch OLED panel with refresh rate up to 120 Hz. It is not an LTPO panel, meaning refresh rate does not vary between 1 and 120, only just 60 or 120, but the screen looks good. Maximum brightness is 1200 nits. So a little bit below what like the Galaxy S22 Ultra can do, but still more than bright enough. And you get stereo speakers too. So now I'm not going to talk about cameras yet. I'm going to save that for the full review, but I will show you some photo samples really quick. As you can see, the cameras are above average at this price point. Now speaking of price, about the price point, I don't know the official price of this phone yet at the time of me making this video, but Nothing has hinted to me it will be between 400 and 500 British pounds. So I'm guessing this phone will be around the $500 US price range. And I think at this price, you're getting a pretty capable Snapdragon 778G chip, 5G support, good looking screen, and a pretty unique design that, I'll be honest, could be a little bit gimmicky at the end. Now, is the Nothing Phone 1 a game-changing, revolutionary new phone? No, it is not. This is just another mid-range Android phone, but one with a lot of character and style. But anyway, I will be back with a full review with a lot more camera samples and more thoughts on performance, all of that, a few days from now. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching this really quick, short video.